I take the flushes from your home, through septic tank and drain field pipes, making your wastewater safe, in the backyard grass so green and tall. Now you work and learn from home, water running day and night. All I'm asking is some care to help me make it through my life. Please conserve when everyone's home. Don't drown me with leaks and drips. Please don't poison me with chemicals or plug me up with greasy bits. Dear family, I love you so, and I just want you to know, if you take good care of me, I will make it through my life. You can flush again tomorrow, if you help me make it through my life.